What's up, Smart Fam? We're doing some homemade pizza today, and we're gonna start with some bacon's powder. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons. Now, this is to make it soft and just kind of fluffy. If you want it to be hard and crusty, just use one instead. Now, here you see looks like 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. It's really not. It's mainly like a half tablespoon of kosher salt, maybe even less than that. This water is just going in for the kneading process. We're doing this freehand, so we're just going to freestyle this, and we're just going to sop up as much flour as we possibly can into this ball right here that we're going to knead. Once we get the dough nice and doughy, and we've basically sopped up everything, we're going to let that sit for like 30 minutes. While we're cooking everything else and doing our prep work, that dough will be nice and ready. So as we get started on these tomatoes, we're gonna blend these up, and it's just pulsing, zip, 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 zip. All right, we're gonna put these in here and just let them cook all the way down. In the meantime, that's on medium. We're getting our garlic ready. We're gonna add garlic and a tad bit of water. A tad bit for me is most likely like three tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and we're gonna do that there and on that Ninja, add it in. Now let's get busy, right? Let's make it taste authentic as we possibly can. That's some basil. That is some olive oil. We're gonna use like what, a 16th of a cup. Okay. We're gonna use some kosher salt. That is 1 tablespoon. Now, if you live in dangerous, you can use 2, but I wouldn't say that. I mean, if you like your stuff salty. One thing about kosher salt, it is so healthy. You can get away with a lot. And we're gonna take some potatoes right now. We're making wedges, so we're gonna cut them up in fourths. We go half and then half again. So we're making fourths, and we're gonna add our oil to that as well. Again, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and blend, mix and blend, mix and blend. Boom. Now we're just placing them in a non-stick pan. We're gonna throw those babies in the oven in just a minute. See that? Put a little bit more oil for good measure. And now we're adding oil to our wings. We're gonna do some hot wings, right? 2 tablespoons for these hot wings. We need some chili stock. Freestyle it, baby. Freestyle it. Just freehand it. Don't even care. It's hot wings. Who cares, right? Have fun with it. Check this out. Paprika. Simple stuff. Keep it simple. We're going back to the garlic. We're gonna get some garlic, cut it up, and then we're gonna mince it with some lemon juice. This is like a staple in our community. What we do is we put the medicine in the food, right? This helps a lot in a major way. It will put you to sleep sometimes. So if you have a very clean digestive tract, this might make you go to sleep a little bit. But other than that, you'll fight off colds and all kind of sicknesses and cancer and things of that nature. It really helps. So we're just mixing and blending at this point. Okay, so now that it's in the oven, we're gonna let it bake at 400. I put it on the bottom racks. I put those potatoes on like the third to the bottom or the second, and I'm just basically getting those sausage right there, which is beef sausage ready. That's just gonna be toppings. I'm just doing prep work. That onion you saw earlier is gonna be on the top as well, but I'm gonna actually saute that onion. Right here, I'm taking, I'm taking some turkey bacon, and I'm cutting it in. And so as we saw these onions, we saute them. We're gonna begin to add our meat in there. That's the turkey bacon mixed with the beef. I know, don't judge me. And we're just gonna roll this out. I don't have a rolling pin, so guess what? Use this. Let's see how it works. And don't worry, I did wipe it down thoroughly before I started. I will definitely get a rolling pin. I forgot to ask to, have them grab one today, but otherwise, or eitherwise, I'll get one next time. Now that is beautiful. It went all the way down to a nice paste. You can't go wrong with tomato sauce if you do it right. And we're using mozzarella because mozzarella is the healthiest cheese. It's the best cheese for pizza. Obviously, it is what the OGs use. And we're just gonna make some stuffed crust. All that extra crust we had, we just stuffed it with cheese, and it is what it is. Very simple stuff right here. One of the things that I wish I would have done different is not cook the meat so much because it's going to cook in the oven. As you can see, those sauteed onions are on top, and we're just gonna kind of get this a little better than what we had it first. 400, put it in there, let it bake. You'll know when it's right. Now, as for this, it needed a little help. So there is the hot sauce, blending, mixing, blending. I know it seems a bit excessive, but I'm going to throw this back in the oven on the same pan that it came off of in the first place, right at the bottom. And it's going to go in there for about like another 10 minutes or so. I like to make sure that everything is seared into the meat and it just tastes like it naturally came from a restaurant. So this was the best piece I had in a long time. Honestly, I don't like chicken like that, but these wings were amazing. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right? Peace.